Yo, what is going on, guys? So first of all, apologies for the background noise. I've got my washing going, but this video is going to show you how to get Sims 4 packs for free. Now, I was searching for hours on a method to get Sims 4 expansion packs for free, and I tried pretty much everything. I probably did the same as what you guys are doing. You're searching the internet, Google, YouTube, and looking for a method to get these free packs. But I've actually managed to find a method, guys, and I'm going to show you how to do it in this video. So hopefully it saves you a ton of time searching. So yeah, you need to use your mobile phone. Open up the internet. So it's important you use your mobile. It just makes it a lot easier. And you've got to go to this website, speedycoupons.com. So you can pause the video and copy this address, because it is very important you find the correct website here. And you'll recognize it by the logo at the top. But yeah, if you scroll down this page, you can see there are so many different pages, and you need to basically navigate your way to the Sims 4 packs page. So you can go to this search bar and just punch in Sims. And this is it, Sims 4 all DLCs, free digital game codes. So not only is this going to give you every single Sims 4 pack for free, it's also going to get you Sims 4 if you don't already have it. Pretty easy, guys. So this is going to be a digital game code that's going to download every single pack for Sims 4. And you can see, guys, this is available for PlayStation, Xbox, or PC. So it doesn't matter which console you play on, you can get your free packs and DLCs, plus the full game. So go ahead I personally play on Xbox, so I'm going to click on show code, and you can see this is a free digital copy of Sims 4 plus every single DLC expansion pack for free. And these coupon codes or game codes are limited. So I've already done this, and you can see, guys, they are protected. So this basically allows one code per person. So what you're going to need to do is tap unlock code. Now, like I said, one code per person. I've already got my code. So let me just cancel this so I don't waste them. But you're going to see a new page, guys, once that reaches 100%. And it's going to tell you how to unlock your game code for these Sims 4 packs. It is super easy. It does take about 5 to 10 minutes. You need to complete 2 tasks, and you're going to see it's all self-explanatory when you see the page, but I'm just trying to talk through it regardless. But yeah, to complete the 2 tasks, and once you've done that, guys, your full code will be revealed to your personal code will show here, and you can redeem it on your platform in the store. So super easy. Head on over to speedycoupons.com and get your free Sims 4 packs. And I hope you found this video useful. If you did, go ahead and smash that like button, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.